Today's video is going to be a little bit different. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new IoT platform, that is VwireIoT. So VwireIoT is basically a relatively new platform for IoT. It offers massive feature. For example, here we can say feature list, multi-device support, real-time data, enterprise security, cloud hosting, mobile application. So mobile application is very interesting because the application is available only on Play Store, Google Play Store, not on iOS Store. But the advantage of this is that we have an web dashboard, and here I have my web dashboard. So this is basically a project dashboard where you can see signal strength widgets, status widget, and this is graph widget. There are basically a lot of widgets which are available for users, and I have made a couple of projects with this. It is very interesting and feature rich platform. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a very good platform. If you are planning to work on IoT projects, you must explore this platform. This is another interesting feature, automations. So in automations, users can basically automate a lot of stuff without writing a code on firmware side or on any other device. So you can just basically get the data of different pins and read and write and do a lot of stuff. The platform is like Blynk platform, where you don't have to write a lot of code, just flash the basic firmware and then you will be ready to go. I have found another thing, that is you can basically see the status of your device used in a project. There are different schedules. You can generate reports of your own data, and you basically can edit. You can add a lot of widgets. There is a huge list of widgets and different type and style of widget, like control widget, display widgets, charts, and special widgets. Let me show you another thing, and that is OTA updates. So what you can do is you can basically update the firmware of your device from the UI. You don't have to plug your ESP82, Node MCU, or any other device to computer and to program. Just write your code, build the binary, upload the binary here in firmware library. Just upload your binary here and then deploy. From here you can deploy. I'll make detailed tutorials on this, but for now I just wanted to let you know that this platform is worth exploring with massive feature set. You can basically use all of the features in free plan, as well as the other plans are not that much expensive. So if you see other platform, they are much expensive, but this platform is not that much expensive. You can basically explore the Android app, and in that app there are per device plan, from where you can purchase a device like $2 and you will be ready to go. So this is the docs website, which basically document the process, how to get started, the key concepts, your first project, and detail about widgets. These are all the widgets which this platform support. A detail of widget, how to use a widget, what value to enter, what value to expect, and then there are devices, connecting a device, authenticating a device, MQTT protocol, because behind the scene this application use MQTT. And here you can see OTA firmware updates and device provisioning and a lot of other stuff. Automations, you can basically explore what automation is and what automation rules are. And if you are pro, you can also use API, and you can create API key in your profile, and then you can use that API key to basically communicate your own app with this platform. So I will recommend exploring this platform, and do let me know in comment, how did you find this platform? Is it worth using or not? If you need any specific tutorial related to this platform, do let me know. I'll make one, and see you in next video.